Okay, this will be a video chart on TDGI. For those of you that follow my videos, you know I did this one, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. And what I had highlighted was essentially this bullish pattern we had of a bull pennant, bull flag, whatever you want to call it. And I think I compared it to GOIG in terms of what that chart looked like before it went on its massive run. And finally today, TDGI has decided to wake up, and a very nice move, as you can see, burst through its resistance. But sometimes you got to worry about head fakes and fake breakouts if you don't have a lot of volume. That was not the case today. Check out that volume, way above average volume, biggest volume it's seen in basically 2.5 months. So the bulls definitely came to life today, and not only did it break through this resistance, it busted through all the other ones, including the previous high one. So in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is congratulations to everybody that was nibbling on shares the last time I did the video in hopes that it would break out to the upside. That is exactly what's happened. Just a great risk versus reward trade for those that got in down here, and now they're reaping the benefits of it. So many updates need to take place now, since we now have a breakout of this chart pattern, and later on in the video we'll go on our little Easter egg hunt for our new resistance levels, since we can't see any on this time frame anymore. So this here is now a support level. I'm going to leave it red just to remind us that this had been a support or a resistance, but it now has been turned into support. Our near term or closest support level is simply this previous high, which comes from way over here on the breakout. Did I expect it to test here? Yeah, I mean, I figured it would if it could break that trend line, but did I think it would all be in one fell swoop of a day? I'd be lying if I thought that. So this was a pretty surprising move to me. But when you see volume like you had down here, it's not too much of a surprise, but I didn't think it would happen. It's such a big, powerful day. I mean, look how big this green candle is. That's just a gigantic day. So anyways, this support level here is at 0.0385. This is what we're going to call our ideal support level. Ideally, this is the level we would like to see hold. But if it doesn't, no need to panic, because we do still have our 50-day simple moving average down here, which is this purple line. And as you can see multiple times now, it has done a great job of providing support. So this is the overall key support. But if you ask me, well, what would be your ideal situation in terms of supports holding, it would be this green line here, which is at 0.0385. So let's go on our little Easter egg hunt now. What I'm going to have to do is scrunch up the chart, and we might have to go to the weekly chart. Let's do that. Let's just go to the weekly chart so I don't have to scrunch it up so much like that to find our next areas of, well, essentially we're almost at blue sky breakout territory. You look back here and the stock was basically nothing. Let's see if I can scrunch it up some more. Yep. As for argument's sake, we're essentially in blue sky breakout territory. Have one more resistance to clear, that being this high over here at let's see what that level is. The high of this candle was 0.049. We closed today, or reached the high of 0.047, so we're almost in official blue sky breakout territory. I'll make this line extra thick because it's an important resistance in the sense of it's the only thing that's keeping the chart from a nice blue sky breakout territory. But then look at this. I just noticed, but check out the pattern on this, and just how this has been such a nice little chart. So here during this big move, we have our flagpole, and notice on the flagpole, nice increasing volume. And then during this portion of the pattern right here, the flag portion, check out the volume, nice and low, exactly how you'd want it. And now check out this breakout here, nice big volume. So a great pattern right here on the weekly chart also. And it looks like it'll only be a matter of time before we give this 0.049 test or level a test, and after that, like I said, it'll be officially blue sky breakout territories. So congratulations to everybody once again. Nice looking chart setup. We'll see if it repeats a GOIG type thing where it just keeps moving. But every chart's different, so we'll just have to see what sort of follow through we get. But by no means did we have any skimpy sort of volume today. It was definitely nice and strong. So if there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and then with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is it's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and giving it a try. One more time, this was TDGI. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.